Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Today is going to be a tutorial on this makeup look. It's a very glowy, sultry, Havana Nights inspired makeup tutorial. My cousin had requested me to do a tutorial like this because she's going to be going to a Havana Nights theme party, and I'm so jealous because I've always wanted to go to one so I can do makeup like this, but here we have the tutorial for it, so win-win. And I love the way that the makeup look turned out, and I really want to go to Cuba. If you've been to Cuba, let me know how your experience was. I really want to go. Let me know down below. So all the makeup products used in this video will be listed down below, as well as putting it on Instagram. So if you haven't followed me there and you'd like to, the link will be the first one down below. And let's get straight into the tutorial. Alright guys, that is a tutorial. I think that the focus is a sultry and glowy look, and you can achieve it very quickly, I promise you. Again, if you're interested in following me on Instagram, the link will be down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video and have not done so already, go ahead and click the red subscribe button down below. You can be notified for future videos, and I would greatly appreciate it. Let's keep this video rather short. So till the next video, I hope you guys are all doing well, taking really good care of yourselves. I will see you all in the next one. Bye. Do I have it in the teeth? Havana, na-na. Havana is in Havana, na-na. Is he? Oh God, I have to take all of this down. Put this stuff away. So sad.